This is Photoshop. When you first start using Photoshop, it's not going to be on your computer. I apologize for my messy desktop. I'll clean it up another time. You're going to go to your hard drive, which is on your desktop like this. Open it. Open up Applications, and you'll see Adobe Photoshop CS6. Okay, we use CS6 version. The newest version is CC, which is Creative Cloud. The school board has opted not to purchase the most recent because there isn't that big of a difference between the two. CS6 is actually pretty new. It was 2 years ago, I think, or 3, but it's pretty good. It is industry standard. So when you open up Photoshop for the first time, it'll appear on your dock. What you can do is right-click, Options, Keep in Dock, so that every time you open up your computer, it will be down there for you. Okay. Now, looking at the layout here, over here on the left-hand side are all your tools. Each tool has a different purpose, and what we're going to do is every day when you come in here, I'm going to teach you 1 or 2 tools, let you practice with them so you get familiar with them. Here where the picture is your canvas. Now you can go File, New, and open up a blank doc if you wanted to make like a poster or something. Over here is your layer menu where you can have multiple things. So one of the assignments you're going to do in here is your magazine cover. So you're going to have like 20 different layers, all different things. So if you want to move one piece, you don't have to alter the entire thing. Up here is your, actually when you open up your Photoshop, I customize mine, you'll see something like, actually I think you'll see this, the color swatches. I like to use my navigator window, so there are 3 different ways to zoom in on an object in Photoshop. The first way is this magnifying glass here. You can click, and wherever you click, that's where it zooms in, or you can draw a box around what you want to zoom in on. The second way is to hold Alt and use the wheel on your mouse, but that's only if you've turned on, the wheel on my mouse is broken. That's only if you turned on button 3 when we did the mouse corrections. And the third way is my favorite way, and this is the way I use. You're going to go Window, Navigator, and you can zoom in and then move the box around wherever you want to be working on. Okay? So right now I'd like you to go to your computer, log in, and open up Photoshop.